Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Here's a viewer's email. Someone sent this one in. I'll read it to you. Geo, I have a really stupid question. I mean really stupid. Feel free to use it in a video and make fun of me if you wish. Does it make a difference how you put the razor together? Does it matter which side of the blade goes up? That other piece that goes over the blade, does it matter about that one? I told you it was a stupid question. Thanks. Alright, so I responded, but instead of reading my response, I'll show you the demonstration. This is a Merkur 34C. This is a two-piece razor. And guess what? Loosen the dial at the bottom, remove it. There's no way you're putting this in backwards, right? That threaded post has to go down in there. Any razor, it doesn't matter which way the blade goes in. The blade can go this way, the blade can go this way. Doesn't matter. So that's very simple. Let's set that one off to the side. Here's a Mula Roca three-piece razor. A little different. Unscrew the handle. Remove the base plate and the top cap, which is this part right here. You can see the blade. Let's remove the blade. And the blade is longer on a lot of razors on the outside edges, just so you can remove it easily like that. You don't have to touch the sharp edge of the blade. Again, makes no difference which way the blade goes in, this way or this way, no matter. But this is called the top cap. It has the threaded rod and two posts that fit into the bar, base plate, safety bar down at the bottom. It's called a safety razor because it has this bar that protects the blade and hides part of it, so only a small portion of the blade contacts the skin, hence safety razor. You're not just shaving with an open blade. Let's see if we can install this backwards. First off, you can see it has a circular indentation which is made for the handle, right? Common sense. See that? You don't want to put it this way, do you? No way. Let's try and do it backwards, just for the fun of it. Okay, does that look right? The thread barely comes through, and then you have a large gap in between, and the posts, those horizontal posts, they don't even lock in. Turn it the other way. Those posts lock in, no play at all, no wiggle room. Thread protrudes far enough to screw the handle on. Let's put the blade back in. Grip it from the outside edge, the non-sharp edge. Drop it over the threaded post and the two pins like so. Again, no matter which way the blade goes. Drop in the safety bar. It locks in. You can see large amount of thread. Tighten down the handle. Now you have a small blade reveal. That's how it's supposed to look. You wouldn't want to be shaving with it the other way. It would not do anything for you. Let's take a look at a single edge razor, the Alpha Claymore. Unscrew the handle. This uses the feather Artist Club blades. Separate the two parts. As you can see, this also has the groove at the bottom where the handle fits into it. So good chance you're not going to install this backwards either, but let's flip it over just for the fun of it, see what it looks like. Yeah, it doesn't even line up. It doesn't lock down. The blade is in there. No go. So let's flip it the other way. Make sure the blade is seated. Let's drop it down the proper way with that round portion facing outward so it can be accepted by the handle. When placing the blade, it does help. Just a little bit of water, a couple drops of water, will act like an invisible magnet and hold it down. Let's drop it back in place. Again, with that round spot, that circular portion facing outward, so it can be accepted by the handle, like so. Tighten it back down. There it is. So no way you're installing this one backwards either. By the way, this Viper handle, you can remove it and screw it onto any three-piece safety razor. any standard safety razor. DE89, R89, R41, any of those, as long as it's a 3-piece or similar, 23C, Merkur 23C, you can purchase this handle from us and then screw it on any safety razor that's a 3-piece razor. Will not fit the Fatipes. They have an odd thread on their razors. So if you want to improve the grip on your razor, remove that slippery handle, install one of these, much better grip, and a lot heftier too. So to answer that question, there are no stupid questions. This one came close, but I've gotten the question many times. A lot of people ask the question, like, which way does it go? So you got the top cap, the blade, the safety bar. And normally, see these striations here, these grooves, they always go upward facing the blade and the top cap. So that's another good hint for you right there. Okay, I hope that settles it up for you. The blade can go either way. The rest of it, it's kind of like a no-brainer. When you install it, you know when it's right. When you install it and it's wrong, you'll know that also. All right, thank you very much for watching. If you want to pick up any of these items, click down below the video where it says more or show more. Safety razors, straight razors, blades, brushes, whatever. We got lots, 2,000 items for you to pick from. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.